Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I will show you how to use the QSlider control in our Qt Widget application. Today in this video I will show you how to customize and change the style sheet of our QSlider control. So let's start. Just simply select your QSlider control and change the style sheet here. So there is a two part of in QSlider control. One is a groove and there is a one is a handle. So you can see this bar is a groove and there is a one handle. Okay. So let's apply this style sheet for the groove also and handler also. So just simply write your groove. There is a groove is a horizontal. Okay. So here we have to apply the height, background and border radius. So there is a basic properties. So set the height as a 15 pixel, set the background, set as some darker color, also set the some border radius. So 3 pixel is our border radius. Okay, so you can see this how groove is displayed, and we have to also apply the style sheet for our handle. Okay, so just simply copy and write your style sheet for your handle. Handle for horizontal. Okay, so let's set the background for that. So let's set here some random color 3498 dB. Here we have to set the border radius, also set the border color. So let's set here some random color. Okay, we have to set the width and height. Okay, so let's set the width as a 16 pixel, and for height we have to use the margin. Okay, so set your 5 or 10 pixel minus and 0 pixel. Set the border radius also. Okay, so here I set a 8 pixel. Okay, so you can see this is how our handle look like. Okay, so let's apply and run this our application. So you can see this is our how slider look like. You also can see the border radius of our groove, and this is how our handle look like. Okay, so you can change the style sheet according to that. Set your border radius as 9 or 10. Okay, set as a 9 or set as a 8. Okay, so this is how, and also you can change the style sheet of your height. So you can see how it look like. So here let's set a 8. Okay, so this is our slider control. Let's also apply the some hover effect of our groove or handler. So set some handle hover effect. Handle horizontal hover. Let's set this some background. Apply the random color, apply and run. So you can see when I hover on the slider control, you can see the change color. Okay, so now let's run this application and see. So you can see when I hover on our slider or handle, you can see the color. Okay, well, let's set some border radius as a 5. So you can see the radius of our slider control. Now it look like better. Or also you can apply this some gradient also here. So gradient is will look like even very good. Okay, so let's set the gradient as a background color. Okay, so let's set here this tropical as a background. So you can see this is our how slider look like, or also you can change the background color for your handler also. Okay, so let's set as sky or a wood. Okay, so you can see this is how our look like our handle and slider. So let's run this application and see. Wait for the build. So you can see our slider background color, and this is our gradient color of our on our handle. So this is how we can use, or how can we can customize our slider control by using the gradient and screw and handle property. Also, if you want to change the slider style sheet for vertical, so just simply set here as a vertical, use as a vertical. Okay, so this is how we can customize our slider control. And let's see, this is our how look like our, this is a normal slider and this is a attractive. So just let me remove this gradient. So you can see this is how our normal slider, and this is our style sheet styled applied slider. So this is both use different, you can customize your slider according to your requirement and style sheet your color theme, application color theme. So please drop your comment if you have any questions regarding QSlider control, style sheet and customization. And please like this video and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.